Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure FluentU for immersive language practice, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin configuring FluentU for immersive language practice, first, visit the FluentU website or open the app on your device. Create an account if you don't already have one. Select the language you want to learn from the available options. Once you've chosen your language, you'll be prompted to select your proficiency level. Indicate whether you are a beginner, intermediate, or advanced learner. After selecting your level, take a moment to explore the dashboard. You will find various content options, including videos, podcasts, and articles. Choose a particular genre that interests you, such as travel, cuisine, or culture. Start with short clips to avoid feeling overwhelmed. As you select a video, pay attention to the interactive transcripts available. Use the subtitles to follow along while watching the video. Pause the video if necessary to take notes on new vocabulary. Next, utilize the flashcard feature to revisit and memorize words you've encountered. Make a habit of reviewing these flashcards daily for better retention. Engage with the quizzes provided after watching each video. These quizzes will help reinforce your understanding of the vocabulary and phrases. Set up a study schedule that allows for consistent practice throughout the week. Consider using the personalized quizzes feature for targeted learning. This will focus on the vocabulary you struggle with the most. Join FluentU's community forums to connect with other learners. Sharing experiences can provide motivation and additional learning resources. Lastly, track your progress within the app to celebrate your achievements. By following these steps, you'll maximize your experience with FluentU for immersive language practice. Enjoy your language learning journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any request. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.